Hi, so we have launched Kazam Mini with a new facelift, and this gets bundled along with all three-wheeler manufacturers, whether it is Bajaj, Mahindra when you buy. तो जब भी आप नया गाड़ी लेते हैं तो उसके साथ बॉक्स के अंदर ही आता है जो आज के दिन में हमने लगभग 40,000 चार्जिंग स्टेशन लगा दिए ऑल ओवर इंडिया विच इज़ Kazam Mini. इसका फेसलिफ्ट लॉन्च किया हमने इन भारत मोबिलिटी. ये फास्ट चार्जर है और ये ऐसा बाइक जैसे अल्ट्रा वायलेट है या फिर TVS है 6 किलोवाट से लेके 12 किलोवाट तक. एंड आई थिंक हमने ये फर्स्ट लॉन्च किया था एंड बहुत सारे व्हीकल ओईएम्स ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रहे हैं. वी आर द ओनली वंस हु हैव एक्चुअली शोन यू अ लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ दिस गेटिंग चार्ज इन द होल ऑफ भारत मोबिलिटी. एंड दिस इज अ लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट. ऐसा नहीं कि हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं एंड अभी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. ये प्रोटोटाइप नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली लाइव है एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन द मार्केट.
So you want to say that your ultraviolet can charge the complete exhausted bike within 20 minutes?
20 minutes,
Okay.
right? Ultraviolet हो या TVS हो, this is the first interoperable charger which is actually fast charging two-wheelers in the
Okay.
market. It is based on the LEV DC standard of AIS 156 and IS 17017-25. And ये हमने already 100+ chargers लगा दिए across the country right now.
Okay.
We are an energy company. So our software works not just with Kazam charge point, with other charge points as well. We have given you a sample of a Siemens charger that can get connected to our software, and using this we are also able to control a full bus depot. And I think I'll show you one demonstration of how the software is able to control end-to-end energy, right from the high tension line till the charge point with the low tension line and the distribution box.
Okay.
We're able to identify all losses that are happening in between. So in a bus depot, you end up losing anywhere between 15 to 20% of energy. And even if you are able to save 10% of this energy, it almost equals to 25-30 lakhs per month. So that's the amount that you can save in just one depot. And in India, there are more than 150-200 depots that are already there like this.
Is there any limitation for the depot? Suppose in case the depot has a capacity of 200 buses, so it can withstand that? It can
Yes. So
manage that?
So basically we put all the sensors and that collects all the information from the energy dispensing units. So whether it's a high tension line, low tension line or distribution box, we also put it in front of your diesel generators. So
Okay.
we know that if you're actually using a different mix of energy, we're able to calculate the expense that you're actually going to use while operating your buses. So we've just launched that. Is the entire depot of a particular bus. You will see that there is a sanctioned load of 2 megawatt and multiple buses are being charged at this point of time. When I click on this, on the HT line, I automatically see the graph of utilization that is happening, and I also know whether I have breached the existing load that I have, capacity that I have. Kazam is able to monitor all of this because we can connect any kind of charging station and systems onto our platform, and we are able to give algorithms that will help you manage all of these load balances. ताकि there is a safe environment for charging, and also you're able to reduce cost and do energy savings. I can also go back and I can choose a particular vehicle and I can see how it is performing, what is the state of charge for it, कब आया था चार्ज करने के लिए, उसका बैटरी टेम्परेचर क्या है, and when is it supposed to come and when it is supposed to get released. And what I can also do is I can go to a charger और चार्जर से मुझे पता चलेगा कि उसका पावर क्या है, उसका यूसेज कितना हुआ है, उसमें से कितना वोल्टेज गया है, उसका स्टेट ऑफ चार्ज क्या है और वो कैसे ग्रो हो रहा है. एंड फाइनली वी आर ऑल्सो एबल टू कंट्रोल कि आउटलेट का टेम्परेचर क्या है, क्योंकि जब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हो जाता है देन देयर इज़ अ चांस फॉर एनी मिसहैप टू हैपन विद इन द डिपो. There is something called as thermal overrun जो हो सकता है. So we are able to control all of this using our software and able to manage it. This is something very new in India that we have launched, which will help reduce cost significantly for bus operators.
You talk about the external climatical conditions. It is 100% safe for the extreme cold or the extreme
Yes.
hot weathers.
Correct. Yeah, so we have already deployed in places like Delhi. We have deployed in
The border area of Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, not yet, but it has been tested. The product has been tested that it can withstand right from maybe Srinagar to even Rajasthan, for that matter of fact, and the temperature differences that are there.
Thank you.